Hello, I'm Jennifer Castoldi from Trendease International, and we are here at Techtextil and Texprocess at Urban Living City of the Future. So here are a few tidbits of the interesting installation here. Over 2,000 chairs make up the wall of this exhibition. ECO has developed a plastic recycling process which can recycle complex plastics, and in collaboration with Envisions, they've presented these really interesting dynamic samples here in the City of the Future. Here we have textile waste that has been shredded and mixed with a bioplastic, which can be used in everything from the automotive industry for bicycles, motorbikes. It can even be used for lamps, chairs, and tables. These are 3D printed, customizable architectural features. The art of origami becomes technical through digital weaving. And these samples here are really great for acoustics and light control, temperature control, and some of them can even have integrated sensors. New Order of Fashion is supporting emerging designers who have recently graduated, and for this City of the Future, we have these little bubble rooms supported by air, which is showcasing the work. Here we have some student work that focuses on different material combinations and manipulation. Ground up sneakers from Adidas are what make up this new carpet. For all of you adventurous foodies out there, here is in vitro meat in ice cream. Synthetic fibers are being used to create artificial wombs for premature babies. Just by using print, light, color manipulation, this 2D print comes alive with movement. Well, there you have it, a few examples of what you can find at Urban Living in Techtextil and Texprocess, available to visit in person through May 17th.